friends! Welcome back to my channel. This week, I decided to try something new. I'm keeping a cooking diary. 7 days, 7 dishes, and a lot of memories made in the kitchen. So grab a cup of tea and join me as I cook. Mess up a little, learn a lot, and most of all, enjoy the process. Creamy Carbonara. Ingredients: 200 g spaghetti, or any pasta of your choice, 150 g pancetta or bacon, diced 2 large eggs, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, or pecorino romano, 2 cloves, garlic minced, salt and pepper, to taste, olive oil for frying, fresh parsley optional for garnish. Procedure: prepare the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions, typically 9-11 minutes for al dente. Once done, reserve about 1 cup of pasta water before draining the pasta. Prepare the egg mixture. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, grated Parmesan or pecorino romano, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Set aside. Combine pasta with pancetta. Once the pasta is done and drained, add it directly to the pan with the crispy pancetta and garlic. Toss to coat the pasta in the bacon fat. Make the creamy sauce. Remove the pan from heat to avoid scrambling the eggs. Pour the egg mixture over the pasta and quickly toss to combine. The residual heat from the pasta will cook the eggs, creating a creamy sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add reserved pasta water, a little at a time, until the desired creamy consistency is reached. Season and serve. Taste the carbonara, and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. Garnish with fresh parsley, extra Parmesan cheese, and a crack of black pepper for added flavor. Serve immediately with a side of garlic bread or a fresh salad. Tips: no cream is used in traditional carbonara. The creaminess comes from the eggs and cheese. So make sure to toss everything quickly to prevent the eggs from scramble. You can use guanciale, cured pork cheek, instead of pancetta for a more authentic taste, but pancetta or bacon work great if that's what you have on hand. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to the Kitchen Diaries channel.